I did a video yesterday where I was talking about anybody who may be in quarantine and would like to try to DJ at home. How could they do it for little to no money? And one thing I mentioned was the DJay 2 program from Algoriddim. This is something that I mentioned that I use professionally when I'm doing either remote ceremonies or remote cocktails for events. And I also mentioned that I have it on my tablet and I have it on my Android phone. You can use it for iOS too, whatever, but I think some people got concerned that I was suggesting that you should DJ professionally on your phone, and I just want to try to clear that up. That's not what I was suggesting at all. So this works very well for me when I'm doing things like ceremonies or cocktails where I don't have to bring my whole laptop out. And when I'm DJing at a wedding reception, I have a backup computer that's in a bag next to me at all times, just in case my main computer crashes. But if my computer does crash and I have to swap things out, that's going to take a few minutes. So I don't always have my tablet with me. I only have this if I was using it for ceremony or cocktails. If I don't have it with me and I need that emergency backup to get going right away, I can use my phone and DJay to do that while I'm swapping computers out. And the way you do it is pretty simple. You just run one of these guys right here, and you've all seen these, I'm sure. It's the stereo RCA to stereo mini plug into the headphone jack of your phone. And it's not to replace your backup laptop. What it is something to burn the time between the swap out. So that's the theory behind it. And there's essentials on here. It'll get me by for a little while I'm doing what I have to do. But no, I wouldn't do a full event on this. And even if I wanted to, I'm half blind. I would have to use my reading glasses to see a screen that small. Because, yeah, that's the only way I can really read it. If I put the glasses on, yeah, I can see that pretty good. But if I take the glasses off, nothing. In fact, when people come up to me and say, hey, can you play this song? I say, no, I can't see that. You're going to have to read it to me because I'm just a 49-year-old guy who can't see that well. And anytime a company comes out with a lighting app or something that you can put on your phone, I hate the idea because it just looks like somebody's playing with their phone at an event. I think it would look more professional and be easier to see without glasses to have any kind of app on a tablet like this. You can set it up, make it look, real neat and clean. You can see it a lot better. I don't know. It's just my opinion. Strange video for you tonight, but hey, strange times we're living in. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, practice, and enjoy.